Google was our big play in the community today. So Google had news yesterday. So when something had news yesterday, remember Berkshire Hathaway bought big in it. So not only that, Google also released its latest version of Gemini. So Google also had that AI news as well. So Google support was 287.47, 286, resistance was 289 and 290. When I saw Google this morning, it was the strongest name. But then when it was about to break out, I looked at the Google daily chart, which was breaking out. It was breaking out of this was the breakout. So this is the breakout I told the traders. This is the strongest stock in the market, and it also has a daily breakout. As soon as it pushed over that level, it was a long, and I was very confident about it. I told my traders that you are going to get a 300. If 300 pushes, the next target will be 305. That was our Google trade, and the traders held on to Google. You could trade the leverage ETFs, so you could trade that GGLL as well. Yesterday's highs breaks out. Google pushed all the way to 300. I gave the 300 magnet early in the morning, 9:37, and we pushed to 300 in next 10-15 minutes. We broke out of 300. We pushed to 305. You traded the leverage ETFs. Even if you traded at 88, it hit 95. You made $7 per share profit there. And if you were trading options, it went from $3 to $10. Literally, you could make 200% gains on your position. This is how you trade it. It was the strongest name. It was a daily breakout. It was close to 300. So anything which is between 290 and 300, look for that 300 magnet. So made it a really, really good play. And it topped out at 1010. When it didn't hold 300, I told the traders to reduce your position. And then we finally stopped out when Google broke this 298, 512 clouds. This is where we exit. This is where you long. You take most of your profits here. You keep some runners and then you exit. System told us to exit everything here and we exit. So TMDX was on our plan. Key thing to notice, guys, whenever CEO purchases the share, it's a huge news. The plan was to long over 121, bullish bias, and I was very busy in the other trades, but RGV, the great trader in the community, he was guiding continuously on that trade in the morning. He told everybody to long on that 10-minute candle pullback right here. He longed it and he gave the target of 128, and TMDX pullback adds all day long. 128 target we hit nicely, and I told them that we can move the stops up at 127. You just keep moving the stops up, and then I told them to move the stops to 128, move the stops to 130. RGV almost got $10 per share profits on that. The risk right here of this entry, your risk was $2. That means on 100 shares you're risking $200, but you're making $1,000 risking those $200. So that was a beautiful trade. Remember, whenever there's a news that CEO is buying a shares, it's a very big news. You need to follow that. So that was a news play. This is how you focus on those news plays. So Home Depot was our day 2 setup. This is one of the concepts I teach. What is a day 2, day 3 strategy? Anything which has earnings, it's our day 2 setup. The plan was to long over 340, short under 338 with the Ripster EMA clouds. As soon Home Depot breaks here, you take a short. It holds the yesterday lows. You hold your short, and Home Depot, by end of the day, we hit 331.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.